Bonjour tout le monde. Good day, everybody. I'm Rick Barger, the founder and executive director of the Haitian Ti Moune Foundation. And here we are in the summer of 2013, and this is a brief update on the state of our organization. And all I can say is that the state is really good, primarily because of the wonderful partners that we have in the Central Plateau of Haiti, near Mirbalais, in the region of Boucankare. We just recently graduated another cohort of CLM members, and we just stepped out and funded 150 more families that will be deployed sometime later this summer on their path to a better life. We can't exceed the outcome of the last cohort in that we graduated 102% among those who first enrolled in this, in as much as we ended up gathering an extra family after enrollment. And then of course the Haitian Education and Leadership Program, which we know is HELP, continues to expand, and the quality and character of the young men and women that they are accepting into this scholarship program, and those who are graduating, taking positions in Haiti. We're really generating a new generation of future leaders for Haiti. And then in Jacmel, the efforts of the Tech Cole ministry continues to expand, and it is amazing that as we sit here in the summer of 2013, we have 4 young people who started out as street children, no place to go, living under extremely difficult circumstances on the streets, who are graduating from high school, and we're trying now to fund to get them into college so that they can continue to pursue their dreams. A remarkable story, particularly when you think that only 1 out of 118 young people in Haiti ever apply to college, much less get in. And then the signature piece of our efforts this summer is the Fête Bonji camp in Jacmel, which is a collection of efforts from HTF partners here in the United States, Abiding Hope Lutheran Church in Littleton, Colorado, Sheridan Lutheran Church in Lincoln, Nebraska, and Epiphany Lutheran Church in Sewanee, Georgia, where we have 42 of us, college and high school students with adult leaders, descending into Jacmel in a partnership that involves 5 HELP students, as well as 30 adults from Foncose, Tech Cole, Trinity House, that will be joining us to put on an effort for 300 and something poor kids in Jacmel. And for a week, they will learn about hygiene, how to protect themselves from things like cholera and other diseases. They will be given, again as last year, their families these kits that will enable them to get clean water, save lives. Always a great week in Jacmel. And then we have the ongoing progress of the St. Joseph family, the developments at the main house at Delmas 91 in Port-au-Prince continues to put out young men that are leaders. Ground will soon be broken on the new Wings of Hope facility in Jacmel, and Trinity House continues to house L'École Sainte Trinity, just a signature school, the absolute best school in the Jacmel area for very poor children. So there's a lot going on. I could say much more, but the state of HTF is great. Our base of support is expanding. People are catching the message. And as we enter into the fall of 2013 at the end of this summer, we'll continue to be doing things, working with our partners to bring hope, sustainability, and dignity to a new generation in Haiti. Thank you very much for your support.